Balaam barugahara yarabura ntarukwijja kwikiriza abakozi ba gavumenti abarukwijja ha mirimo kikyererezi n'engabo abarukutaha bukirikare. Ogu Yaraganisa ngu naija koregana na State Minister Justin Namere okuratira esente za gavumenti hamwe n'okuhunduusa ebyempeereza okwetooroora ihanga.
Nakisanga oba nakitegedde n'abantu bangi badde bakingamba nti abakulembeze ba gavumenti abamu bamaze mu district emyaka 5, emyaka 10, emyaka 15 abo gaba gafuuse makaago. So abakozi ba gavumenti mwenna nga ba minister babakyusa tewali agenda kusigala mu district mwabadde akolera ng'alowooza nti ago makage. No, balina okukyusibwa bonna. Operation change everyone, operation improve service delivery, operation reporting on time.
Minisita yahamusiriza omugasho gw'okuhembarirwa n'okukora bwerure kugira ngu okushishagura ebintu bya gavumenti hamwe n'obunafu bishemereire kuwaho. Okurugyerera Minisita Balaam nagira ngu bamwe mu bakozi ba gavumenti beikeire omuri za district ahi bakoriire obwire buringo buhingwire emyaka 20 ekyari kugira ngu nikikokoosa eby'obuheereza.
And my clear objective will be transparency, accountability, and ensuring that wastage and laziness among staff in local government stop. It is really sad at times you go to a district and you find a staff has served in a district for 20 years. So that has become now a home. So that person owns the district. So nothing can happen unless you go through that person and you offer him or offer her something to eat, offer her money.
Barugahara yahamusiriza okukora n'amaani atarukuruha okwimusya omutindo gw'obuheereza kandi yasiima President Yoweri Kaguta Museveni hamwe n'omuduumizi w'ihanga ly'eihanga lya Uganda General Muhoozi Kainerugaba ahabw'okumutoorana n'okumworora omu by'obwebembezi. Ogu yagaruka yasiima abazaire be ahabw'okumworora kurungi bakamutebeekanisiza ebiro bya nyensya.
Njagala kwebaza omukulembeze okumpa obwesigwa n'anonda nga minisita we sigenda muswaza mu ngeri enjawulo. Njagala kusiima omukulu wange chairman wa Patriotic League of Uganda General Muhoozi Kainerugaba olw'okusigala nga y'omu ku basomesa bange ne General Sale oyo yawuliriza buli muntu ate buli muntu amuwa amagezi.
Ogu yagumizamu okusiima President Yoweri Kaguta Museveni ahabw'okumukuza okumwiha omu ntebe y'okuba minisita wa state ahabw'enshonga z'abaana n'eminyeeto kandi akamwesiga arikumuteeka mu ofiisi ensya egye yarimu. Barugahara n'araganisa okukora bwerure obwarikuteeka amaani aha by'obuheereza okurwanisa obushomankuzi n'oburubwenguzi n'okureebeka ngu esente za gavumenti zahwera abatuura.
I would like to thank His Excellency the President for the trust and for believing in me by elevating me from a Minister of State in charge of Youth and Children Affairs, where I've served for about two years and 2 months, and elevated me now to a full cabinet minister in charge of local government. The elevation is not about change of status, but it's change of its assignment for more responsibilities.
Okurugyerera ahari Barugahara nagira ngu gavumenti neija kuhwera ebicweka byona omu kyarikweta empindahinduka omu kwongyera amaani omu by'obuheereza okurwanisa obushomankuzi n'oburubwenguzi okushemeza omu by'enkora y'emirimo hamwe n'okunyweza eby'embarirra.
Because my vote is for Patriotic League of Uganda. We shall mobilize all communities, all parishes. This is a transition. Most of you you love what we call political transition. Ours is now transition on everything. Transition on service delivery. Transition on elimination of corruption. Transition on transparency. Transition on accountability. Transition. The other political transition will cap in when we are done with this. So I'm a minister of local government. Don't expect me to have so much suits at all times.
Barugahara n'arabura abakozi ba gavumenti abarukwenyigira omu bushomankuzi n'oburubwenguzi ngu tibarukwija kwikirizibwa arikugira ngu naija kuratira entebeekanisa za gavumenti atarikuremuura nk'eya parish development model arikugira ngu n'obukirabe ngu gavumenti eigatiiremu empiiha nyamwingi omu ntebeekanisa egi okurwanisa obworo n'obukyene emiruka emwe nikyoreka kuba takatungaga na 10.
Kino njagala kubakakasa mwenna abalaba zino TV zaffe nja kukolera abantu mu bwesimbu mu bulambulukufu ate mu lugona oba mu lujjudde sagala nguzi mu district sagala nguzi mu magombolola, sagala nguzi mu town council, ababadde bali enguzi mu bakeeredde. Teri kulya nguzi. Njala kulambula abafunye kusendeza PDM.
Gasha kwa Innocent atuganyira ahabwata ya West.